Welcome to the ELISA simulation. In this simulation, you'll analyze a patient's urine sample for the presence of the drug fentanyl. Begin by selecting either the practice or test modes. The practice mode provides you with feedback, while the test mode offers none. First, you'll prepare a sample for analysis. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after a brief delay. After completing a given step, the next instruction will shortly appear. After preparing your sample, select the Analyze button to evaluate the presence of fentanyl in the patient sample. Choose the Check Answer button to evaluate your answer. The New Sample button provides you with a different patient sample. Make sure you do not select this button until you have completed your evaluation of the current patient sample.